Welcome in to another Woolly review. We are doing Anna and Clara's 100% cotton 8/4. Now this is asking for a 3mm hook, of which I have, and this is in the colour who knows, because it's all numbers. So I'm going to go with the colour is, so it could be that one. I don't know. I don't know what the colour is. It's either this one, which you can't see anyway. Oh my gosh. Or it's one of them. I'm going to go with number 17 because it's in bold, just for the sake of it. Not that we're here for the colour anyway, but still, you know, it's kind of sometimes nice to know. Okay, so I'll grab the start and let's give it a go. So I've got my 3mm. Now this is only bought on one site. Don't ask me to pronounce it because I don't know how. Can that be seen? There you go. It's that site anyway. There are approximately 27 colours of this, all solid, and are £2.28 each. Oops, it split on me. Oh no. Right at the beginning. We haven't even properly started and we're already splitting. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, we're good. So we'll do one row of single crochets. This is very splitty. Very, 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 very splitty. Oops. Oh my gosh. It might be a little bit too splitty. Oh heck. Let's try that again. So I don't want to tread on eggshells while I'm using this, but I might have to, which would be a shame. So we have got details on here of a 50-gram ball is 160 meters approximately. All the details for this will be in the description below, regardless. But I had never come across this before, never heard of it. Oops. Go through the right bit, might help. Oh my gosh. Is it split again? No. Great start with this, huh? I mean, already you know it's not going to be the 5 ladybirds, right? I have hope for the frogging process of this, although I've got a big feeling it's going to be extremely kinky. Oh no, I'll just leave it there. I'll be fine. It'll be fine. Definition is okay. I'm going to do another row of the single crochet. Oops. It feels very nice and soft though, I have to say. It almost feels like it is a cotton blend rather than 100% cotton. And it also feels like it's mercerized. It doesn't look like it's mercerized, but it feels like it's mercerized. But it's not. but by the feel of it, this is definitely wearable cotton. And no, we're not here to judge my poor crochet skills. Thank you very much. I'll do some half doubles. And get them in. I'm intrigued, and yes, I'll be putting it down in the description below. But it's... oh, can that be seen properly? OEKO-TEX, whatever that is. Standard 100, pass. I'll be looking it up and putting it in the description regardless. Oh, fluff. But yeah, it feels quite nice to work with. I'm not expecting there to be any elasticity, of course, with it being 100% cotton. No. Got to give it a go. Because you never know until you give it a go. Stitch definition is still, it's fine, it's okay. £160 for £2.28. It's a lot of money for a 50-gram ball. Come on. I thought it was going to split on me again then. Not bad. So now we'll do the last 2 rows, which will be double crochet. It's like walking up to the frog's front door via the front garden. Trudging through the garden now. Ooh. Oops, and there we go, it's split again. It was only a matter of time. Now, so many people turn around and say you're working with cotton, of course it's splitty. That is not the case at all. There are so many cottons out there that you can use quite easily without it ever splitting and it be 100% cotton. And I've come across quite a few and reviewed them, so they do exist. Okay, we've turned the corner and we can see the front door of the frog. Nearly there. Oh, come on. Cute. And we have our little audience watching us. These are merch on the channel until our July podiversary 2026, and then they will no longer be available. Hello, Mr. Frog. Fancy to come for a walk? Not bad stitch definition at all. Perfectly fine. Feels very, very nice on the hands. Perfectly wearable. Let's go for a walk, Frog. Oh, the kinkage. I had a sneaking suspicion it'd be overly kinky, and it definitely is. Tell you what, let's hop on a moped, shall we? Let's go. And perfectly fine with the frogging. But look at the kinkage. Oh my gosh. For those that aren't aware, frogging work ruins the fibres in your yarn. So the more you frog, the more you're tearing at those fibres and distorting them. Which is not a good thing at all. Let's put its little band on. There we go. So, what am I going to say about it? Well, we know we're not going for the 5 because it's just way too much splitting. And it's definitely not a let's steer clear of it. And I wouldn't be overly annoyed if it was the only thing in the shop. But I don't think I can give it more than 3. It's nice. It feels nice. There's a fair few colours. Should be able to find something close to what you might need. But it's very expensive for the amount of yardage. And yeah, I just don't think I can push it past the 3, unfortunately. The splitting, the price, the meterage on it. It's got some nice colours. They're solids. Should be able to find something. It's lovely and soft and wearable. But that's where I'm going to leave it. That is where I'm going to leave it. So, heck, have you given it a go? Have you heard of it before? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. And if you were given it, would you be okay? Or would you go out of your way to give it a go and try for yourself? Let me know, and hopefully we'll see you next week for another woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.